ANC ibambe umbuthano wayo wokugcina ngaphambi kokhetho eThokoza Park eSoweto.
Kukhona abantu esebangene ngaphakathi ANC.
Mina
abasibiza ukuthi bona bayiBoko Haram. Ngaphakathi kwe-ANC. Ayikakusiyo ANC leyo.
Ekhuluma embuthanweni we-DA obubanjelwe eKapa, umholi wayo ugxeke kakhulu iANC ngokucishwa kagesi ngenhloso yokuwonga.
You can't build an economy, you can't build a country, you can't build a business, you cannot build a family without basics like electricity.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi uzimisele ukusebenzisana neANC kanye neDA ukuze kuthunyelwe izidingo kubantu. Ubethula inkulumo embuthanweni obubanjelwe eKatlehong ekuruleni.
Kuyakopela DA, ANC, EFF, put aside your differences. Let's sign a pact that will give every South African water, electricity, and a flushing toilet in the next 5 years.
IFP ibibambe umbuthano wayo wokugcina esikhukhune eLimpopo. Umengameli weqembu wethembisa ukuthi iIFP lapha izosebenzisana nendlu yobukhosi iBapedi ukusombulula inkinga yokwentuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi, inkohlakalo kanye nokucishwa kogesi. Ngasekuqaleni kosuku leli qembu liye kokhala ebukhosini baBapedi kulandela ukukhothama kwengonyama uThulare.
On behalf of Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, who has been working very close with the royal family of Bapedi, have sent a message through the president, also on the road coming here to deliver the message, both the message from the prince as well as the presentation about the presence of the IFP in the area.
INFP ibibambe umbuthano wayo eDumbe KwaZulu-Natal. Unobhala Jikelele wayo uthi bazimisele ukubeka phambili lokho okufunwa izakhamuzi.
They are going to get integrated service delivery from the NFP, which is something that we have been doing over the past 5 years. Over the past years when we're in government, in local government, in various municipalities in this province, in particular in Zululand. So people of Zululand are well aware that the only party that has been able to service them is the NFP. Therefore, our existence as the organization is to serve the people of this country.
Iqembu elisha iSouth Africa My Home for Residents Association libambe umbuthano walo eBushbuckridge eMpumalanga. Lithi lifuna ukusombulula izinkinga ezikhungethe umphakathi.
Talking to the community, they are telling us we need this and this. If you can able to do this for us, we'll vote for you. Then that is what inspire our manifesto.
Ne-APC ibibambe owayo umbuthano. Umholi wayo uThemba Godi unxuse abantu ukuthi bavotele leli qembu.
I'm more than confident that the APC has expanded its support base even here in Bushbuckridge, and the outcome of the elections are going to confirm that.
Iqembu iGazankulu Liberation Congress eLimpopo lithi yilona kuphela elingakwazi ukuqeda inhlupheko ekhungethe lo mphakathi osemakhaya.
We have already spoken to international investors who have already committed to say immediately when we take over, they will give us, support financially for us to be able to deliver services.
Umholi we-1SA movement uMusi Maimane unethemba lokuthi abangenele ukhetho ngokuzimela bazokwenza kahle kakhulu okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo.
I think it's become now well established that people are sick and tired of political parties. They are tired of empty promises and they really are looking for change.
Abahlanu abangenele ukhetho ngokuzimela eLimpopo nabo bebekhankasa ukugcina namhlanje. Bathi amaqembu ombusazwe abonisile ukuthi awazigqiziqakala inkinga ekhungethe umphakathi.
People in this community, they are tired of lack of service delivery. They are tired of people, of leadership that is being parachuted to them.
eKimberley bangamashumi ayisikhombisa nambili abangenele ukhetho ngokuzimela.
I grew up here. I'm born and bred in that street opposite there. And one thing that I know as a person, people need bread on the table.
Sekuyobonakala ngomsombuluko ke ukuthi abantu bona bafunani.